Hey, what's going on, guys? Stephen Davidson here. Obviously, we're not shaving, but it is shave related. Today we've got a mail call, but first I'll get this out of the way and show you what I've already gotten. This is from my friend Keith Johnson over at TomoNagura. I'll put the link below, whatnot. But this is a piece of balsa wood, 3 inches wide, 6 inches long, 4/4 or 1 inch thick. Now this is basically going to be used for applying pastes, sharpening paste. So thank you, Keith, it's awesome. And he also sent me his, which has already been sealed with cashew lacquer. And there's my dad. Hang on just a second. Okay, I'm back. Sorry about that. Alrighty. Yeah, I can't play Sanford & Son or anything like that without getting hit with a copyright claim. But nonetheless, this is part 1 of the mail call. After he sent this to me, which I got on Monday, I went ahead and ordered some of his paste, which is what's in here. So let's open her up and see what we got. This is also going to be a big, major mail call video too. Alright, let's see what we got here. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Good stuff, boys and girls. Bubble wrap. Some more packaging. Nothing in there so far from what I can see. And that'll do it, my friends. Yes. Let's see if he's got anything else in here that I might find interesting. See, that's who I got the penguins from, is from TomoNagura. He sent it to me when I bought my 2 strops. But, let's see here. Oh, he sealed it good. Goodness, it's in there good. Sorry, Waddles and Twaddles, you didn't get a big brother or a little brother this time, so maybe next time. But here it is, folks, the Tomo Blue sharpening paste. As I stated before, I'll put the link below, and that's pretty much it as far as the straight razor is concerned. So let me pause this and I'll bring you right back, so stand by. Okay, I'm back. Now, here's where things get interesting. This is a USB adapter that I can plug into my phone and transfer videos with, etc., whatnot. And I'm pretty sure that there's also on the side here, let me open her up. This works for Android phones only, ladies and gentlemen. So for those of you with iPhones, you'll have to get another product besides this one. Instruction booklet. Yeah, I'm using my Nikon B500 camera to record this because my other phone's updating right now. So stand by. Okay, on the side here, pull the plastic off, pull that off. Now if you see on the side, I've got a micro SD card reader, a regular SD card reader, and this can plug into any USB 2.0 or 3.0 adapter, and this right here will plug into my phone and I can transfer the videos with no issues. So that's one part of the deal. Put the protective covers back on here. Don't want to damage any electronics. Okay, now this next piece is real interesting, especially for you guys with old video game system. And if you want to use a capture card on it, you need to get this device right here. Comes with a USB and some instructions. Comes with one of these and some instructions. Okay, this is an audio video cable to HDMI converter. And this is the, I guess this is the power adapter, I'm not real sure. And I got the choice between 720p, I'm just going to go ahead and put it on 1080p. And that'll do it. Just simply plug in your PlayStation 1 or 2 in here. Use the HDMI cable for that. Here's the USB. That's the power adapter, my mistake. I'll read the instructions on that later. Okay. And of course, in anticipation for that mail call, today I went and bought some more storage, a 256 gigabyte micro SD card with a adapter, class 10 megabytes per second. I also got a HDMI cable, an extra one, and of course the back daddy of this mail call. This is a PC-less video game capture card. See, I'm also going to start recording my video game footage. AGPTEK. If you can see it or not. But that's pretty much the entire mail call. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Take care and God bless. See you guys later.